Hello everyone. In today's video I will review the best toys and games toys review. Number 1. Ravensburger Gravitrax Starter Set Marble Run and STEM Toys Games. With 122 pieces, there are limitless ways the track can be built. Intersecting tiles help lock tracks to place and create pathways for a marble ball to move from a central launch pad, depending on what construction element is used. Kids can control the speed and trajectory of the ball. There are 9 pre-built designs, which allow kids to start playing from the start. It takes an average of 10 minutes to build the starter set, which is great for children with shorter attention spans. This toy game was also mentioned on Live with Kelly and Ryan, a popular talk show, for its participation in the 2018 New York Toy Fair. Why we like it? This is the best brain toy because it helps kids develop critical thinking skills by using a track system that propels a marble to a finishing point. Pros. Number 1. Great for critical thinking development. Number 2. Challenging and STEM focused. Number 3. Intuitive pre-built design. Number 2. Wise Toys Kids Toys Games Hover Soccer Ball Set. With 2 soccer goals in place, an impromptu soccer field is created. A 5-inch ball that hovers floats on smooth floors is moved around by kicking it, and foam bumpers help protect furniture from damage. This works great on hardwood, tile floors, and short carpet. This inflatable ball includes built-in LED lights that flash as it glides across the floor. While testing, it floated across smoothly with no sudden stops or changes in speed. This is a nice variation of one of the most classic games on the planet. Additionally, it is made of non-toxic materials, making it safe for kids to use even if a toddler occasionally bites it. If your kid is more interested in cars than sports, take a look at one of the best RC cars for kids instead. Why we like it? This soccer toy game is perfect for helping kids stay active, both indoors and outdoors. By kicking the ball into the soccer net, children will also be improving their gross motor skills. The set comes with a hover soccer ball with foam bumper and an inflatable ball. Pros. Number 1. Great gift for European footballers. Number 2. Can be played indoors or outdoors. Number 3. High hovering distance and sturdy foam bumper. Number 3. Skoolzy Rainbow Counting Bears Toys Games. This counting toy is a great way for babies and toddlers to master colors and develop fine motor skills. Simply ask your toddler to place the yellow bear in the blue cup and place 2 red bears in the green cup to gauge their comprehension and reaction time. This game also allows for sequencing exercises by asking children to line up gummies in a particular order by color. Help your kids learn about colors in another fun way by using our best chalk sets. We like that these learning toys come with food-grade cups, which are safe to pour and drink out of. All counting bases also come with CPSIA regulations, which are a distinction by the U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission that regulates product safety. They are also BPA-free, which is a chemical commonly found in plastics known to cause health defects. Why we like it? Learning toys that use an assortment of different colored cups and gummy bears to match, sort, count, and learn color names can help promote math learning for preschoolers. Pros. Number 1. Adorable figures that promote math and logic skills. Number 2. Developers' motor and math skills. Number 3. BPA-free and adheres to CPSIA regulations. Number 4. Wonder Forge Disney Princess Enchanted Cupcake Party Toys Games. This game uses 40 different pieces that you can mix and match to create different cupcakes. The recipe cards and game tiles provide instructions for making different cupcakes based on popular Disney characters. To make your cupcake party even better, get a set of balloons and our best balloon pump. We like the fact that this toy game has colorful and easy-to-read instructions. Simply collect all of the ingredients from the recipe cards and build a lasting cupcake. It is great for 2 to 4 players. If you're looking for something for the truck lover in your family, take a look at the best RC trucks too. Why we like it? This Disney-themed party game allows children to create their own cupcakes using a series of fun recipe cards and ingredients. This helps them compete and grow creatively through imaginative play. Read full review. The Wonder Forge Disney Princess Enchanted Cupcake Party Games are a great way to have some fun with your friends and family. These games come with everything you need to throw a great party, including invitations, games, and cupcakes. Cons. Too many pieces for some children to manage. Small pieces, best to keep out of baby's reach. No known toy trade awards. Number 5. Leapfrog RockIt Twist Handheld Learning Toys Game System. The design of this toy is very thoughtful, and it uses a remote control with a D-pad, dials, spinner, and slider to play one of 12 preloaded games. The games are educational and explore simple math, reading, and science concepts. Each game lights up the controls needed to play, making it very intuitive. This toy also has a built-in MP3 player which lets kids of all ages listen to their own tracks, which is a great bonus. Fishing gear. We're impressed with this learning toy not only because of its leapfrog name, but because it was a finalist for Toy of the Year 2020 as awarded by the Toy Association. This is a very prestigious award, with over 500 nominees from 200-plus companies being considered every year. This gives us great confidence that children will learn and grow after playing with it for a while. If you want to get your kids outside more, take them down to the lake with your best fishing gear. Why we like it: this is one of the best trending toys. It allows kids to control 12 virtual pets with a series of games and challenges. Read full review. Leapfrog RockIt Twist Handheld Toys Game System. Pros. Number 1. Focus on developing math and science skills. Number 2.12 Preloaded games. Number 3. Easy to follow instruction guide.